Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am about to attempt to go ahead and recreate this famous Cajun grilled chicken Alfredo situation from Ashley. Shout out to Ashley. I hope this thing turned out right, girl. Yours was on point. It looked delicious. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do that. I am not a cook by any means. Matter of fact, that's the first thing I tell a guy when we meet. Probably the first day. Hi, I like you, you like me, I want to be with you, hey. But guess what? I don't cook, just so you know. Disclaimer, I cook when I want to. But anyway, I have my shrimp over here, Ashley girl. I'm gonna do this video as if I'm talking to her. I didn't have any Cajun seasoning, but I'm just gonna go with this. And I'm gonna also do, because I love me some good old Old Bay honey on the shrimp. So yeah, and I don't like spicy food, so that works for me. And then girl, I don't have the chicken tenderloins that you used, so I just have chicken breasts, so that's gonna have to do for now. And I'm just gonna take those chicken breasts and I'm gonna just cut them up to thin them out, because they are on the thicker side. I've already washed my hands, guys, so they're on the thicker side, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those up and put them in the bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and get seasoning. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to attempt to slice these to make them thinner. Or should I do them like this, guys? I don't know. Oh my God, I don't know. Decisions. Okay, so this is what they look like now, guys. Just gonna go ahead and take them, put them in here.
We're gonna get to seasoning it.
Okay, so Ashley girl, I do not have any white vinegar, so this is what I have. So
just that much. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. That's Ronnie coming in the door, yeah. This is just regular garlic powder. It doesn't have any salt or anything in it. It's just ground garlic powder. Now I'm gonna add some Spanish smoked paprika. Just that much. Some fresh ground black pepper. I love this peppercorn medley. It has green, red, and black peppercorns, and I just love the flavor of it. I'm gonna add some of that to there. Okay, so that's...
I don't have Cajun, so I'm just gonna go with this, girlfriend.
And lastly for this, I'm gonna add some parsley. Go get another parsley, you guys, because that other one was finished, because I use parsley a lot, you know, for cooking and dressing my plates. So let me add some more.
I feel like I might need some more seasonings, but
okay, that looks good. Now let's mix this up.
Okay.
So
yeah, okay, I think this looks good.
From here, of course, I clean my fork again and wash my hands and all that. You don't want the cross-contamination between the two. Some of the Cajun seasoning. Now I'm going to mix this up. Okay, that looks perfect. So now
it's gonna be hard putting it on the grill, because I don't have the big ones like she has. So I have my George Foreman grill here, and I did have it plugged up, but I had to. This thing heat up so fast. Some extra virgin oil, olive oil on the grill. I don't know how this is gonna work out, because I don't have big shrimp, honey. Sus, I don't have big shrimp. Ooh, I feel like I'm cooking, man. Sis, I got that sizzle. Got that sizzle. Yeah, we cooking every bit. I want it all, every piece. Okay, so let me just turn it over. Ooh, I'm feeling good about this. It looks good, y'all. Doesn't have those perfect lines like hers, but ooh, look at that one. Okay, and so I think she said turn it off and let it cook, let it finish cooking like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I got the water boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and put the linguine in and then break them in half. Plus applesauce. There you have it. 13 minutes. That's just how I do it. She put the shrimp on. Ooh. Yes. So far so good, guys. Everything is sounding good. I got popcorn shrimp compared to hers. She had jumbo shrimp. That's all right, sis. We still gonna eat. We balling on a budget over here, y'all. Well, this George Foreman girl don't even play. Oh my God. I forgot how good he was. George, I had to get George out the closet. Had to dust him off and put him to work. Okay, so let me move. You see it. You see it. So noodles are going. They're sizzling, baby. Go ahead, baby. I'm sizzling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Yes. When I did taste a little piece of that chicken, I had a little bitty piece. Ooh. Don't worry about my nails, y'all. They're a hot mess right now. Hey guys, these are what my popcorn shrimp are looking like. I flipped them and then I'm just letting the residual heat cook the other side like she said. So yeah. I have this too, but you can use this if you need to. Get that. Sorry guys. My stove down. Okay guys, so I have my noodles draining there. I have my shrimp there, chicken there. We're preparing for the sauce here. Okay. Oh, I see that golden brown that we're speaking of. I don't want to burn them. And then I just have the heavy whipping cream. I think she used half and half. You use what you have. Make it work. I'm gonna pour it all in there because I love Alfredo, like creamy sauces and stuff like that. I don't know why. Wait a minute. I don't even know if I'm gonna use that Alfredo sauce. Oh no. Just follow directions. I'm gonna put these and just take it off the heat just in case. Rather be safe than sorry. I'm just adding the complete seasoning, CAJUN seasoning that she uses. Garlic powder. I don't have the Cajun, so I'm going to use my Creole seasoning. And just a dash of paprika. She used oregano and parsley. Okay guys, and now I'm adding the oregano. Turn the stove down. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going with. I'm gonna go with the 6 cheese Italian and 4 cheese Mexican. And yeah, get your life right about now. Hard working with one hand. Put the whole thing. Okay. Let's stir those cheeses in there. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh, all this cheesiness. If you're a cheese head, ooh, if you're a cheese lover, you would love this. Love, 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 love this. This is a cheese lover's dream. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking like. And yeah, I just kept stirring it. Hers seemed to be a little looser than mine. I think I might have put too much cheese in. I don't know. But anyway, I tasted it is bomb.com. I'm gonna go ahead and put my noodles in because she says, you know, she put her noodles in instead of putting the, I guess, the cheese sauce over the noodles. She likes to put it in, she says, and just stir it in as you go. Yes. So as you go, you keep putting more noodles in. So guys, you kind of look at me making a mess. So you kind of get the gist of it. I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to stir with the other. So let me just get that together. I'm gonna go ahead and get my toast in the toaster oven. Let's pop these babies in here. Let's put them on the bottom. So as you guys know, I do a little bit of everything. If you are following me, you know that pretty much however way the spirit hit me, that's what I do. So I wanted to try this recipe out, and finally I got around to doing it. I'm not even going to tell you guys how long I've been trying to do this video, but we got it done. We have it done. So thank you, Ashley, so much. I really appreciate you for doing this recipe. Everything looked good. I think, if anything, because I'm just a little scared because she had more, hers looked more loose than mine. I don't know. I think I might have put a little too much cheese in there. I don't know. How you guys like your chicken? Do you like yours cut up like this? You like it whole? You like it shredded? When you eating your pasta? So since we eating together, this is how I'm going to do mine. My newfound love, and it is bomb. You better try it. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Okay, guys, so while we're waiting, there's Gavin, everybody. Say hi. So while we're waiting, we're just gonna take a quick little break. Guys, I just heard the bell, so everything is ready. All right, loves. There you have it. I have 2 pieces of bread, one for you, one for me, and I have 2 forks, one for you and one for me. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. Very cheesy. Very cheesy. I wanted chicken. I didn't know which one you wanted more of. Taste that shrimp. Let's go ahead and get a bite of that garlic bread. Absolutely. I want to go ahead and thank you, Ashley, for the inspiration and the motivation. It is good, guys. It's very cheesy, very cheesy. So if you're not that into cheese, you want to be careful with how much cheese you put in there. I'm going to be trying some other recipes. I saw this other guy, he did egg rolls. So I've never cooked egg rolls before, and he made it look so easy. So yeah, that's going to probably be our next venture. So thank you so much again, Ashley, for motivating me to make this meal. And I'm about to go ahead and bust it down. Yeah, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Later. What you want, chicken or shrimp? Let's do one of these. There's a shrimp on there, and here's a chicken.